Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inglés Practicable. In today's video, we're going to talk about food, cooking, and meals with family. This is a great topic to help you practice listening and learn everyday English. The English is simple, so don't worry. Just relax and enjoy. Ready? Let's go. I live with my wife, and one thing you should know is she is a great cook. She really enjoys cooking, and she does it almost every single day. She likes trying new recipes and experimenting with flavors. I don't cook very much, but I love eating and talking about food. Food is part of our daily life. We need it to survive, of course, but food also brings people together. It connects us. That's one reason I like this topic so much. My wife knows how to make many dishes. She learned from her mom and also from watching videos online. Sometimes she cooks meals from other countries, like spicy rice, tacos, or chili. Tacos are one of my favorites. We eat them a lot, maybe once a week or more. She fills them with beans, meat, vegetables, and a bit of cheese. And of course, some hot sauce. I really enjoy them, especially with guacamole or a little sour cream. The mix of textures and tastes is amazing. In the mornings, she often makes breakfast. Usually I just drink coffee and eat toast with butter or jam, but sometimes she makes pancakes, eggs, or something special. One of the best breakfasts I've had is called Eggs Benedict. It has eggs, bread, and a soft sauce on top. It's simple, but full of flavor. She also loves making pancakes with maple syrup, and sometimes with peanut butter. I know it sounds a bit strange, but believe me, it's really tasty. We sometimes add banana slices on top too. It's sweet, soft, and delicious. On weekends, we usually have a big breakfast together. We take our time. We sit down, eat slowly, and talk about our plans. It's a nice way to start the day. Sometimes we make fruit smoothies with banana, berries, and yogurt. They are fresh and healthy, and they give us energy for the day. She also makes homemade pasta. She doesn't buy it from the supermarket, she makes it from scratch. She mixes flour and eggs, rolls the dough, and cuts the pasta herself. It takes time, but the flavor is amazing. My favorite is ravioli. It's pasta filled with cheese or meat inside. Add some tomato sauce on top, and it's perfect. We also make spaghetti and tagliatelle. The kitchen smells great when the sauce is cooking, like tomatoes, garlic, onions, and herbs. It makes me feel happy and hungry at the same time. Sometimes I help her in the kitchen. I'm not a great cook, but I try. I wash the vegetables, stir the soup, or set the table. It's a fun way to spend time together. We talk, laugh, and listen to music while we cook. Even if I just help a little, I enjoy it. Cooking becomes something we share, not just something we do to eat. We also eat meat. Chicken, beef, and sometimes fish. Meat can be expensive, so we buy it when there are good prices at the market. We don't have a grill, so we cook it in a pan or in the oven. Still, it comes out really delicious. My wife knows how to season the food very well. She uses salt, pepper, garlic, and herbs like rosemary or thyme. When she makes roast chicken with potatoes, the house smells fantastic. Dinner is one of our favorite moments of the day. We eat around 6 or 7 in the evening. Sometimes we eat just the two of us. Other times, we eat with family, my parents, my sister, or some friends. We all bring something to share, and we enjoy the time together. Food always tastes better when you eat with people you care about. We talk, we laugh, and we sometimes play music in the background. It feels warm, comfortable, and familiar. In many homes, people eat dinner together at the table. They turn off the TV and talk about their day. It's not just about food, it's about connection, about being present. My wife also prepares soup and salads. For the soup, she uses fresh vegetables, herbs, and sometimes noodles or rice. It smells amazing when it's cooking. Especially in cold weather, soup feels warm and comforting. We also make lentil soup, chicken soup, or creamy pumpkin soup in the fall. They are easy to make, healthy, and full of flavor. We try to eat healthy most of the time, vegetables, fruits, and water. We buy apples, oranges, bananas, and sometimes grapes or mangoes. Fruits are great for snacks. But of course, sometimes we enjoy a little chocolate or dessert. It's okay to enjoy sweet things now and then. We sometimes bake cookies or a small cake on Sundays. It's fun and relaxing. We also like ice cream. Chocolate is our favorite flavor. Fridays are pizza night. We make our own pizza at home. We use tomato sauce, cheese, and different toppings like mushrooms, onions, green peppers, or pepperoni. Then we bake it and eat while watching a movie. It's a fun tradition and something I always look forward to. Sometimes we invite friends and make many small pizzas with different toppings so everyone can try something new. I'm learning to cook little by little. Right now, I can make scrambled eggs, toast, and some sandwiches. Not much, I know. But I want to learn more, maybe how to make pasta or a simple soup next. Cooking is a useful skill. When you know how to cook, you can eat well and save money. You don't need to make big or difficult meals. Start small, with easy recipes and simple ingredients. Practice a little every week, and soon you'll see progress. There are many free videos online that can help you learn. I also ask my wife for tips. She says the most important thing is patience and love. Food is not only for the body. It's also for the heart. It brings joy, it helps us celebrate, and it creates good memories. Think about birthdays, holidays, or family reunions. Food is always there. It's part of who we are. Each culture has its own dishes, spices, and traditions. Trying food from other places is a great way to learn about different people and their stories. How about you? Do you like cooking? What do you usually eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Do you eat with your family, or do you eat alone? What is your favorite dish? What food reminds you of home? Tell me in the comments. Let's talk about food, in English, of course. Thanks for watching today's video. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen, repeat, and practice every day. You don't need to be perfect, just keep going, step by step. Come back for more videos here on Inglés Practicoval, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and happy eating!